You don't see these every day. We're gonna go for a ride in a 1963 Ford Thunderbird convertible. I was reading that only 10% of the 63 Thunderbirds were convertibles. That's amazing. Not too many of them out there. This one's got an updated Sport Roadster package. Covers the back seats. We'll show you that pretty soon. It's pretty cool. Makes it look like a two-seater. But it's got a 390 Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, 3-speed. It's got all this really cool aluminum inside. It's just very Art Deco. They call these the Bullet Birds or the Rocket Bird because it looks like the taillights are rockets. It's got a breakaway steering wheel, kind of goes over to the right, easier to get in and out of. But you know, power steering, power brakes, has factory air. I think it actually was working. It's all hooked up too. It's still the old style Freon. But it's got the bias ply, wide white wall tires, spoke hubcaps. Just such a cool car. It gets so much attention cruising these cars down the road. But all the chrome is real nice. It only has 53,000 original miles. I bought it from a friend of my wife's, actually, a co-worker. He had it since I think 48 years, something like that. He ordered those blue license plates that are on it that long ago, back in the 70s. But we have a stack of all the records. I got the original build sheet. Kind of neat to have. So as far as I know, everything's original and matching on this car. It's kind of nice and clean under the hood too. It's got a few chrome goodies. They put chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner. Unless it came that way, but I don't know. Maybe you can order them that way. But it looks nice. But it's a big bomb, big cruiser, giant V8. You don't ask about the gas mileage on a car like this. You ask how big the gas tank is. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here with our 1963 Ford Thunderbird Roadster. Beautiful car, beautiful red paint. Like I said, it's a two-owner car, only has 53,000 original miles on it. Really well kept. It's a California car. It's got the old blue license plates. Previous owner couldn't drive anymore, and we bought this in a Mustang from him, so really happy to get it, and he's hoping it goes to a good home. But it's got the fender skirts, it's got the wire hubcaps. 63 is really a unique year. 61, 2, and 3 kind of look similar, but 63 is a little squared off. The wheel well is a little squared off. It's got these 3 chrome emblems on the door. Just a Bullet Bird. Really super cool looking. All this chrome around the windshield. Got the little hood scoop on it. I mean, it looks like a custom car, but this is the way they came. Beautiful grille work. Very nice. And inside is like Art Deco. It's got the stainless steel that goes around the dash. It's got the breakaway steering wheel that goes over to the right. I could show you that. AM FM radio. I don't think that one works, but probably can be fixed. Or you put an aftermarket one in the dash that fits without cutting anything. It's got power windows. It's got power driver's seat. Has air conditioning. Let me show you that steering wheel because it's a pretty cool thing. You just pull up on this. It slides right over. Pretty cool. Pull it back over. But look at the gauges. Look at the chrome on this car. You can tell it was just kept indoors. There's your power top switch there, and also the remote mirror. But for being original and unrestored, it's a survivor. Great looking car. Nice cruiser too when you're driving. It's just, you can feel the weight. You don't see one of these every day. Be fun to have. All right, we're gonna do a little top video for you here. And this portion is removable, this Roadster part, so you can take that off. There's a back seat under there. But look at how this top works. It's amazing. It's a whole lot of moving parts, but it works. That's the original spare tire, it looks like, in there, an old Firestone. I guess we should have cleaned that up a little bit more in there, but that's okay, we can do that. And this fits over the top of this removable top part, which is nice also. You don't have to take it off to put the top up. And you just keep holding it down. This folds down again. Pretty cool. And keep going, keep going. Perfect. And you can hear it when it clicks, it's stopped. But you know, it's got a little wear mark in the top there. Back window's still pretty clear. We polished it up. Top's not perfect, but you know, like I say with the convertibles, leave the top down. But it's good enough to put up, keep you out of the rain if you get stuck somewhere. Here's the power plant in the 63 Thunderbird. Like I said earlier, it's a 390 V8, 4-barrel carburetor, factory power brakes, factory power steering, factory air conditioning, couple chrome goodies in here, but really nice, smooth running car. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Pretty quiet for a 390. There's a whole lot of engine in there. It's got the Cruise-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission. I think the rear end ratio is like a 3.0, so it's nice on the freeway. And it's quiet. This is one of those big long cruisers you don't really want loud mufflers, although some people like them. This sounds good though. Look at these bullet taillights. Well anyway, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. Phone number is 818-591-1313. Address is 2158 Union Place, in the city of Simi Valley, California. And yeah, give me a call if you have any questions about it. Happy to give you the history on it. We have a stack of records. Just a really beautiful 63 Thunderbird.